Welcome guys, today I'm going to share to you a troubleshooting happens one of my unit, and they encountered a frequent trip that is affected some equipment that plugged into the MCB. This is what I want to share to you guys. Okay, it's a make table, and when a defrost happens, it trips because the solenoid valve is shorted. When I check it, it is shorted, and that solenoid valve looks like this. So that one is hot gas defrosting. And what are you going to do once you encounter this? Here's a tip on what you do. Because in hot gas defrosting, both the compressor and the solenoid are running. So here's an example. Let's deploy the manual defrosting by pressing this symbol here. Okay, there is it. We are now in defrost. And take a look. Compressor and a solenoid valve is running, and look at my clock meter. We read 0.38 amps here, meaning that the solenoid is activated for the line or terminal number 7, which is our defrost here. So it's a shorted, and how I'm going to fix the issue while ordering the parts. Okay, there are a process on how to order these parts. So here's a tip guys on how to do that. To do that, you're going to, and we are going to enter the parameter here. Press the button, hold down button for 3 seconds. Okay, the defrost is done because I set it to 1 minute for the MDF. Okay, let's continue guys. This is now the tripping time. Let's press the set button and hold down button for 3 seconds. And another set button and hold down button for 7 seconds to enter the hidden parameter. And here's are the tips or parameters you need to change. And let's browse for TD, which is the type of defrost, preset, and from in, that is hot gas defrosting, we're going to replace with electrical heater preset. And we going to use the fan defrosting, and to do that we're going to look for fan parameter, and the parameter is FC. Preset on stand for evaporator fan runs with compressor, off during defrost. We're going to select for here CY evaporator runs with compressor on during defrost, and we're going to set the button here. And all you have to do to that, because the solenoid is shorted, just uninstall the terminal number 7, which is for the defrost. Uninstall and isolate, and go to refrigeration shop and buy and replace, and you can run the unit without any power trip happens when the defrost will engage. Okay, there is it. Both compressor and evaporator runs, and we're going to deploy the manual defrost, assuming that the unit will defrost. And let's take a look. There. This is what I want to share to you, that during defrost the compressor is off because we select electrical for the TD parameter, and the evaporator fan is active if ever there is a presence of ice formation. The fan or the fans are melting the frost. So once the replacement is arrived, install it and restore the setting we change. We only change 2 parameter. Take note for that. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, mabuhay.